remember hiding in the closet like this because you'd taken the cookie you shouldn't have had. And now you're at college and university. But you know what? You still might be kind of hiding or feel distant from God. Usually, well, God hasn't moved. Usually we've moved. And James talks about, and says, cleanse your hands, you wicked sinners. That doesn't sound very nice. But remember in high school, and we learned that play about Macbeth, and he's going to the sink because he wants to wash his hands that are covered in blood because he's done the bloody murder, and he can't make them come clean, and he's washing and washing and washing. Of course, my hands come clean. And James says our hands represent our actions. And we do need to cleanse our hands because we feel far from God when our actions are not doing it. But maybe you're not in outright rebellion against God, and maybe your actions aren't. But maybe there's stuff going on inside your heart. Maybe it's because there's stuff going on inside your mind. It says, purify your hearts, you double-minded. Maybe you're watching videos, sensual videos you shouldn't be watching, or trash talk TV. And you have two minds. You're trying to go to church and hang out with Christian friends, but you've got this double mind over there doing another thing. And he says, purify your hearts. Have a single mind. You have to stop feeding that mind if you want things to change. And so you can feel the presence of God again. And then it will feel so good. It says, draw near unto God, and he will draw near unto you.